Welcome back to another fabulously fantastic fabric tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be making custom armor. This tutorial is going to be faster than usual because of all those haters who said the last tutorials were too fast. So I hope you've seen the rest of my very fast tutorials so you can follow. Let's begin. Woohoo! Start by creating a package to store your armor's classes. Then create a material that will represent your armor stats. Add implements armor material to the class header. Create an array of base durabilities that match the ones from vanilla Minecraft. Next, create an array of how much protection each piece of armor will do. Note the array left to right corresponds with boots to helmet. The protection values will work so that each level is half of an armor piece. Then add the unimplemented methods. For durability, we need to match the corresponding value with the base durability by calling getEntitySlotID. I then multiply it by a durability multiplier of my choice. The protection method is very similar except it doesn't have a multiplier. Everything else should be self-explanatory. Now, let's make life easy. Create a base armor class. Now, add extends armor item to the class header. Create a public constructor with armor material and equipment slot. Then, call super and pass those two things in, as well as the item group. Now, traveling over to the main class, create an instance of your armor material. Then, register each item using the base armor class as the item instance. Then copy that for each piece of armor and change the necessary components because programmers are lazy. Now create the models and textures for your armor items. If you don't know how, watch my tutorial on items in the description or by clicking the eye icon. Running the game, we can see our items in the combat tab, but putting the armor on makes us the purple man from Freddy Fazbear. Now go into your favorite photo editing software and edit the armor textures. Once you've completed your masterpiece, create a new package at assets.minecraft.textures.models.armor and drag the model textures in. Now launch the game and show off your shiny new armor. If you found this tutorial helpful, mind up that subscribe button and chime with the bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.